Yeah, man, this is Public Report checking in. You don't know the vibes go. If it's your first time here, like, share, subscribe. Then I mean, just let me know so you like what I go on. You know what I mean? I'm talk about subscribe, I mean, say, join the family, join the movement, right? Because you don't know, say, family miss it. Thanks to everybody who has been supporting thus far. Thanks to everybody who, you know what I mean, just link me by a WhatsApp, by Instagram, you know what I mean, email, just be say public, yo, yeah, go on, you know, you take your time and, you know what I mean, show through. Because I don't know, so let me tell you, say, I'm a work in progress, and thus far, I take my time and, you know what I mean, put in the work, all right? So thanks to all my family members who, as I say, support me, you know what I mean? So do the right thing, like, share, subscribe, and, you know what I mean, push it around and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm going to a quick recap, though, of the first episode, which is social media experiment.
Rice or something flour. You can't peel
Me's
yam.
not a vegetarian.
Oh, you can't peel yam.
Me's not a Rastafarian,
You
sir.
want to live a KFC and
All of
burger.
this can't keep up with vegetable is what. Me don't want no fruit. What kind of fruits you come pick? You come tell me about.
Everything you see can show you.
What you say me do with your book, boy?
The last time I see my book, you need it on the bed, I use it to hold up your phone when you need the part.
Me I use your book to hold up my phone. So my phone they pop down now. It dey on one side and a limb.
I want to do a little quick live stream. If you say I can borrow a bus for just do a little one right now.
Wow, you know, easy in the public. See the man, up in.
Up in, all right. Respect you, brother.
Here.
All right. Yes, my people. You don't know, say it's public grass, hold it off. Yeah. You don't know, some of us watch my bus a while ago and we just there easy and cool out. Because, you know, so we roll. So in a few minutes, when I go see me my new brand Benz, you know what I mean, a roll show. I saw you going to Jamaica, you have to have status. And if you don't have status, you make it. How we make it? You have to fake it till you make it. I tell you already, much time to say the same thing. Yo, come back and tell the boss now, because I just do one live a while ago, tell the people, say, make a buy Benz. How am I going to tell the people now, say, Benz, abracadabra? No, you have my family place, yeah.
Oh, I think I hear a place. Wait there, but not some Chinese one this.
Yeah, man, I China only, man, but I'm a family them.
So here we go. Is it your thing where you depend on your type of style where you depend on social media? As a bridge, I can tell you the truth. I can't lend you no money right now.
How comes?
Yeah, I tell you the truth. I can't lend you no money right now because
I'm
at a fact.
Richie,
Listen, man, I'm at a fact. I shouldn't even associate myself with you, brother, because you know, say, for me thing different. And everybody see me on social media. I mean, I'm grown nobody.
But that so not say with my thing. My thing is just me. I fake it till I make it. I understand. I mean, I talk about some social media people just the same way. And them fight against you. You have some dirty social media people. Right now, I'm in my backyard. You can see me look over, you know, waterfalls and all these things. And, you know, I just give thanks for life, just the same way.
Mommy, how you
Mind
pick?
if I make cut you?
You pick I can come around the other side there. Oh yeah, pick Jumbalin.
Star fruit, you always a call it dribbling. I don't know which country you come from. What?
So if flowers them are grow nice, they do.
Come like me did know say you come, cause you come like say you can't come. Look. Because star fruit them a drop off a tree. What happened to you, you know?
Yeah, broke like dog. No money can give me mommy.
Hey,
Yeah,
broke
you know.
life, no nice. You broke.
Broke like dog.
Nah man, not tell me say you broke. Me not like when I use them kind of speech and them kind of language there, no girl.
Let me say what I'm say. I don't have a cent to my name.
Broke
I know
life.
you are a rich woman already, you know, you have
Gee.
your people who will send you your money. No, sir. One thing
Just say the money run out a little bit. But not talk about no broke nothing around here. That's what I mean. Me keep on to tell you say, yes, when you use them, they already attach onto you. No use not about no you broke like a no dog and the foolishness there.
True, my mother.
Why? You rough, you know?
What do you mean?
You rough, because right now I don't have no money. I have. The only money I have, I feel like a Christian woman at church. What kind of bug a fly for me? And she, you know, say she don't have no bank account. So me always pick up a little money for her. You say you broke like dog, you come like me, I forgot broke her foot, because I can't make me pick hungry. And the woman mean, you see. Me say, all me walk and stand up in a long line. That's why when you hear them say, some people say they're afraid of church people. But me not afraid, nobody a God me fear. You understand? So the only thing me could do to help you out, I forgive you.
So you go tell her, say, you not get no money? Yeah, because she can't make people use your so. Every month you not get nothing out of it, you've got some of them long line there. No, sir.
Not even one buckle of water she don't know if you buy me.
When people deal with you, so you have to deal with them back. So
When I time I just throw me have bad ways in me. When I time me a plan so me not go take collect no more money for her because she don't have no conscience. Me say me light all cut off and me beg her, you know. And me say me like just cut off one little $8,000. You know how much money me collect for you, man? Over
me, I could never hear the same woman who
148,000.
raised me and make people walk over your son and deal with this. So you will join anything this woman call you for, you jump and go do it. And you always pray for this woman. And you tell me, say, when you go foreign with you, I see you bring down much things, umbrella, sheet, shower set and all of them sitting there. And you tell me, say, she never give you that much yet? No, mommy, go on better than that. Go on better than that. We are all supposed to be made in Jesus' image, yes, but that doesn't mean say if make people take advantage of you, so no, mommy.
So what you tell me say me fi do now?
Well, I the same woman she do this on social media and she get money.
She same one.
And she a
Then go on
flash
with a
on
bag
social
of things
media
and
with
go on with
you.
a bag of things for social media. And then go on with a bag of sinting and a bag of chattings and bag of all sorts of sinting. And me, when she get the money, me have to go join line and collect the money for her. And then sit there, because sometimes when I go at the machine, the card not work, so I have to go in the line. Because money come in my account. You understand? Then look away there. And me say, woman, not even me fear. Not even me fear my daughter. I did shame to tell you, I never did want to tell you, but yeah, sure you feel like I have money because you always see me I go to a bank. Enough for my money, you know, I fear her money. But you know what I go do? You tell her what I go do. I go and tell her, say, me no get no money.
Right.
And then me go pray about it.
And me would pray for you too, because that
Yeah,
is
me
wickedness.
I go pray about it.
Yes, my mother.
I think so I go do it and pray about it.
So how much money, so mommy?
Me say 148,000 and me like cut off. And me ask it man to lend me 8,000. And she said her money plan out. She have plans for her money already. She map out before me collect it done already.
148,000 for social media?
Yes, girl. That's what they go on.
No, me come. We don't get no money this month. Come.
We don't get no money this
No
month.
money no come this month. Nobody can tell me nothing. She have to go prove it.
But me no want she.
We don't want she what? She can't prove nothing for your bank account. And if she question your mommy, tell her say you go shut down everything, make find somebody else, find somebody else.
She a go scandal me.
She can't scandal you. She cannot scandal you.
Me no like this Grace.
And if she scandal you, she has scandal her own self. Because who, somebody was so kind to you, and you not even take up a drink and give them? For so much
She me dey pick them here from up me now, but I give her them, me a give take them.
Come mommy.
Yeah, like sense in me head. Cause she use me for true.
When people wicked, you have to give them a piece of your should be.
Carol! I tried to say it enough.
Yeah, my daughter.
How you leave this gate open so it's supposed to make the dog bite me?
The dog not bite you, what will bite you?
Nobody not talk to you, little girl.
So I can just take
You
up my
know
pick
what
sit
she
no time and just
Mm-hmm.
see same thing I'm there tell you.
I mean,
Yeah.
I mean, like it like give me one different one, little girl. Everything there inside, my friend so.
I
Carol, want to
tell
talk to you.
this, yeah.
Not even like it, take it back. Anyway, Carol, want to talk to you.
Come on, go over there so.
And I
Sun
tell her
hot.
like me and friend, but I can't stand a big daughter. She mean. She don't want to give me no nice thing them. Come on, I have
Like
something to
how
talk to you about. Go go in and shade them. I can't come up in no sun right now.
Yes, I'm pick them in.
She mean.
Like how you man. Like how you.
Yes. Anyway, Carol,
Mm?
I money me come for. Because my son asked me for one clocks from the other day and you don't want to hear how much for it. And the latest type of clocks, they don't know what do them young people. Every new thing come in, they want parents to buy. I want the money because remember say, remember say I don't have no account. I don't have no PayPal. TikTok deal with PayPal, you have account. Please may I ask you, I beg you collect. You can give me no?
You're out of luck.
What do you mean?
Me don't know what happened, you know. Me do know what happened, but me know no money in my account. Me say, listen to me. Me charter one taxi. And when me go down there, not even money me did have to pay a taxi man.
How come?
The
I
man
don't
create
understand.
one bag of excitement for me and say I'll go call police and they same thing.
For what you do to the man?
Because me never had no fear. So me got call you for tell us say me got take out the fear out of it to pay the man.
Carol, you know say I style me though. Because even if I saw you go, call you say I saw you go, and you go take out one fear. Fear no fear. I don't want house you go buy. I don't care. You take out one fear because you charter one car to pay a man.
No fi collect for you one money. All the while me go
And you know
and
how
give me no text. You know give me you ever buy me a bottle of water yet?
Look here, Carol,
ask
this
you one
original
question.
shit because the man, listen, the man where you see I go borrow money from, eh?
Me never go borrow no money. Me tell the man to carry me down at the bank. And when me collect the money, me dey go pay him.
So
But
why
me
problem?
don't get no money, so me couldn't pay the man. And the
Why
man
you not
create
get the money
extra-
and the money they right there for your collect?
You don't know what happened. You don't know. Me say me don't know what happened. Me don't know what happened.
Carol, me never see none of this yet. See they all have a new crooks. Carol, what you do with me money?
Me not travel go foreign all the while and have me clothes. So,
All new phone.
make you so out harder.
Carol, let me see phone.
Yes,
Let me
me
see,
not
see
get
the
the phone that me
iPhone.
have.
Let me see if an iPhone you have. Carol, let me see it. See that you take my money go use it. Carol, me not like there something there. You know.
Yes,
That's why.
my phone crack up, girl. Look on you, see big old crack on my phone. What, this look like a new phone.
Carol,
to
what you do with my money? You collect your
You
money.
not hear me say me don't get the money, girl.
But you know the penny, me go up and... Jesus Christ, Carol, me dead now. Because
Look
me
much
not nothing in my
ears
yard
me
for
a collect
them.
money for you. Look much time. Me nah nothing go looking up in my fridge and go looking at it. Go on in my house go look. Me nah nothing. See me pick me just come a while ago. A star fruit me have to pick game. She hungry.
You
Say
know
what
what?
are we now hungriness?
Carol, you know say me on top come in your yard and me on get somebody else who can collect my money
Me
for me.
glad, me
Because
happy.
see that you a contract now
Right
about you
now,
pick me
happy
hungry.
because
What that have to
you
do with me?
You disrespect me.
Disrespect, take back your damn apple when me take from your daughter and go along about your business. You think
Why
say me
about
not
your
come back,
business?
you're too
Don't
thief!
Why come back on me yard? You are disgrace.
You is a thief and your daughter dead for hungry.
You seen we catch up on you.
Are you me get all I seen them for? Hey, Carol, you see you? Alright, now worry yourself. You don't have no more money for college.
One thing I just lick it.
How you flick rotted? Look where you catch.
Go on where you go. What? Maybe you come call me thief out
You
of
have
them
fling you for me for.
Go out of them bright.
Me no hungry, me no hungry.
But you and me do. Me did tap long time, everything done, everything cut off. Go along where you go. Where? Me know God, me we pray. Anything me do, what you feel like say me do, what me not do, me know how to pray. Go along where you go. Me and my daughter, are you not glad some people gone and she never die? Out of them bright. When time people are, I know yes, people in a church no feel like you can't take liberty
I
with
say you
people.
take me money and buy new clothes. New clothes and new phone and new crocs. You like to style me. You're not collecting no more money for me again. Everything done.
Me did tap long time.
Carol, you is a thief.
Go along where you go.
Thief in Carol.
And if you call me thief one more time, I put you a court.
Actually, me can't read. Me beg you collect it for me because me have no account.
And look
So you
on
can take it and they style me.
Me collect over $1 million and $1 give you still can't read. Woman, go along to school. Where?
Where school good for? Look for you. I went since you learned to read. Remember I said you wasn't done since you was in high class, you know. And your grandma take you send you go to school since you get so big. Okay, 2 hours did it done since one in high class. But two you have family to send you to school, you can learn since you're big. Look here, girl. Me done with you. Me done with you. Me now come back to your yard and you not collect no more money from me. You is a thief, Carol. Carol, you is a thief.
Where?
Who to telephone people close the thief off a line? You take me money and a mine man. Old criminal.
Sometimes somebody need to get man in.
I'm going to spread your name on TVG and CVM. Go spread your dirty name. You're a criminal.
Where?
Done with you, Carol. Me done with you.
Go, woman. Go along where you go. Just $8,000 me did tell you to lend me. You couldn't lend me. You couldn't lend me $8,000.
You see it?
See it there?
You see it? So I told me not lend you $8,000 the one little time.
No, I got
you
you
take
a
away my
sign.
money.
God show you a sign.
Carol, I'm going to go on my granny grave go ball for you. I'm going to hope you. You're a wicked woman.
Sign and wonders. I catch up on you. The Father show you a sign, woman.
I'm going to make a name out your neck in your sleep.
Hooligan, woman, go and
You don't know my friend again. What?
My God is great. Hey, what a God. You never fail me yet. Yeah. My God is great. Go on.
You see me coming and you start to run. You thought it was a game until you saw my son. You the #1 top shotter in the streets. You better back down, you're gonna get defeat. You think this is a summer camp or a retreat? No yellow tape, no foreign seats. You came here to get a little bit of the lie. You thought I was a myth, now your soul is mine.
You know what I'm saying? I'm glad I see you. Because from what you see a thing of one. The fee say you move too fast.
Bro, you man.
Yeah, man. Because here, I know what you are doing. But the people don't know what you are doing. They know what you are doing because I know you. Two of we grow together. See? But guess what now? No? You see faking thing, daddy. You know have to really do that to make it. I know say it rough, you know, everybody the other them a fight to get views and them things. You get what me I say? Yeah. But guess what? You don't have to buy, brother. You don't have to buy. You don't feel say if you build your thing them or your fan base them natural, it's more better.
That's true, sir. But bro, yo, it's like if you start out from scratch, you know say it's the right way, but it's rough. Rough because based on, you know, like for all our brethren when they call Richard Brown, see? Him thing up. Him there 157,000. So you know what I mean? So me we have to buy little things.
Me and you grow together. And guess what? When you're 17 years old, you know, brother, you have a dream. When you're 17, you have a dream. You get it? And I know say you can do better. I know say you can work harder. Because that's how our parents grow. We work for one.
But what you say, the thing is, it's because really and truly, you never have no time for me like that. Still. Because you're my bigger brother. But you never have no time for me, so I find something for kind of occupy my time, man. You know what I mean? I'm just say this a social media thing couldn't work. Because people, enough people like it, you know, but there are some people who are, you know, because they're not really checking the way they're supposed to check in, you know, push and, you know, reach the the heights.
So you blame me. So where you blame me.
You know, honestly, I blame you, bro. But it's like, what else we can do? You understand what I'm saying? You know, if more like attention and social media is there for everybody, basically. You know what I mean? You have to take a chance and think. But I never really come out to talk to you when you're supposed to know. But obviously, you don't want to talk to me. You see, alright. So you want to talk to me about them something there. You can call me and say, yo, bro, come link me. Like, me never come link you know.
But you know, say, alright, watch you know. You don't know, say, me lost your number. I lost your number. And the reason why I lost it, my phone, I go reset it by mistake. That's how you come down. You see me? But not because you don't see me. Me are still your brother. You get it? So if your sister me not reach out to you for when your job for come you
That's
job.
why I come link you can go on, but still yet you have to understand say. Alright, me hear you. Because my brother, I respect your words I'm still. And if that's the case, if you say that, come like a law.
Work for what we want, daddy.
I'm going to work for you. Alright. So I start. When I tried it right.
Don't shortcut it. You understand me I say? Don't shortcut it. Just take your time and build it. You have to surpass everybody. Come on. Remember this, you know. If you know hard, you know worthy. Remember this. If you know what?
If you know hard, you know worthy. Alright.
What me say? If you know what?
If you know hard, you know worthy.
Alright.
Daddy.
Alright.
Where yourself, man?
So you may say, just easy. Yeah man, easy. Take you one step. Alright?
No problem.
Yeah man.
Even though it's a split me coming for, you know, I get a counseling. So you have split one?
Yeah man. You have all type of ganja. I'm a responsive ganja. You know?
Alright boss. So you say, please say I'm still again.
Yeah man.
Yo, come in man, come in man.
Yeah man.
Yo, where you there, sir?
Hey man, you me come give you a link.
Man, just block off on the gate.
Yeah, like a security.
So you see a ganja, everything good though?
Yeah man, everything good man.
Come in, understand. Last conversation me have, you asked if you left for this because, you know what I mean? Circumstances. I don't understand. You have me yard wait for me, bro.
Yeah. Come check you if you know what I go on because I realize say, yeah, look my one catty. Am I look one catty that you know?
Me I look at one catty.
Yeah, you name public. Who name public?
Hold on, you mean you same catty want me make you get?
Yes. Yeah, so, look her back.
No, I'm not look her. No.
Yeah, you don't know say catty rate me, catty will tell me. Say public I look him. Public, you rasta.
No.
Yeah, look on the car. Where you say you have as car. You say my bus nice. You not even can go road with you and you want my woman.
Bro, listen to me, I said, man, and stop the foolishness, man.
What can I stop is me come here mad and dark, you know?
Brother, you can't come here mad and dark.
Of course, because you look my woman. What you mean, brother?
No, but me not look your woman.
You look my woman to tell me.
Yo, you don't believe me?
No, brother.
Well, so how come you
believe me? I believe my woman. I have to believe my woman.
Brother,
and me and her head I go on one pillar at night time and you tell me crap.
You tell me say me I look your woman.
Bad thing me come here pan in and I come here like me know if a tight thing, you know. Look on the car where you say you have park up. Look on your house. Your house look there. And you come back and tell me crap on me ears.
So you tell my place
bad
now?
Man, right now if me a bad, me relax here man. You name public, you look me girl, I mean want you look me girl. I tell you.
Brother,
but if I give you a chance.
Last time, me nah look your woman.
Don't look me woman.
No, but me nah look
her. So
brother,
you tell me.
I was she talk about me not
understand.
True. No, I can't.
You mean that them a circumstance,
brother,
anything I want say if you know go say near go so. And this and near go say go so. And then you think them have to try straighten up and get a yard creep up and do what you have to do. You have to look bad man, woman. I want to you.
Alright, you may say.
So do them thing them man.
Alright, you may say.
Chat where you have to chat so when I listen. Because I'm more than dark, you know.
Alright, you may say.
Yeah.
See? Me, public, now look for your woman. What me get for you. Remember say me get her for you. What me I look her for?
You know say a style you get the woman and give me.
What you mean a style?
What you mean? You get her for just give me for look her back.
No,
where you look her with?
brother, what
say
you
me
talk
and me
about?
boss, you know. Your car.
You burn some weed today, what, a bad or something? Come on,
Weed
man.
we
Brother,
bad
I
or
can't
what?
believe,
Weed we
yo.
bad or me on the bad weed or what? You're dead right here, so
But-
lay down you now.
One
You lay
I
down.
can't believe this.
Me I tell you.
Tell me, I'm looking woman.
Get yourself straight
Brother.
now. I know what you do, man. I want to tell you, man. You take me thing.
I can't
brother.
believe.
The woman tell me, brother.
A dream.
Dream me a
Wake up.
Dream me a
Brother,
dream.
come on, man.
Dream me a dream.
Better
You
than
see
that,
me a
bro.
sweat.
Eh?
You just notice how you see me a sweat.
Yeah, me see you sweat like a serious for true.
Of course.
All right, you are going.
I'm more
See?
serious though.
Check your woman and bring her come and make her have a face-to-face conversation. Come on, look in her face and say and ask her these questions.
You want it happen now?
Go for her.
All right, we'll go do that.
Go for her.
All right. I'll get her, show you.
Man, I come like a madman.
Mad too, but you can't look mad. You know, man. You're mad.
Oh, woman on me get him.
If you come there, so feel I know if I
woman.
talk, you know, then I come to make you know, say me no want you look me, woman. Okay.
All right, Mr.
I'm serious on that, you know.
All right, Mr. Girl.
You hear me? I tell you, go straight up over your yard, man, and do what you have to do, brother.
No,
You
about
look
that.
one woman give me, and you still want to look her back. You know, no
man.
style, man.
All right,
Barbados.
Yes, man, I take it. Everything.
Hello? Yeah, man, Desiree, me down at the back where you wait on, but down is wait on you a long time. Come in, man, come. Me down I'm back, man, forward.
What on, girl?
But there, all going.
No, I'm there try get in contact with that man, you know, because girl, I should know over cancer, me not a sense of my name. I come try, me try get in contact. I don't know why I never take the money in the first place. Cause the man does a post bait things, such a bait things. The man does a post. I'm in something, a girl. I don't know how I get in contact with him because through him have a large following.
Oh, yeah,
I text him on Instagram. Man, I go on his page. When I text him on Instagram, I don't hear from him. Because probably a lot of people that text him at the time. Shame, yeah. Cute, bad. But I should never have it.
Girl, hold on there. No public this. What is this?
Hold on there, you know it?
Girl, now that same man there come on my workplace, girl. And just come in at my workplace and come take out the juice and come out with it. I don't understand.
We really come in here work with some fudge.
Him coming at my workplace and my boss face and just come take out the man juice and walk out, girl.
Also, pay for it after.
Pay for what? Him not pay for it, him just come in at the store, pick up the juice and walk out.
You say you use a look a liar. Them man in Africa now have to trust juice and take juice and this. Juice? Public? Big right?
Public so I hear about
Get
people
that
that
funny man picture would have stopped the life.
girl, that same man when he in public. This man, what the
You said this time when you come in here, it's going to go take juice.
I don't talk to you, you know. I don't talk to you.
May I tell you, this man I have all waterfall in my backyard. This man I have like 3 of the latest iPhone them. Eh? And 3 vehicles I see my far with. Boy. And him come here for his take for juice.
As Joe said before, I don't talk to you.
You know what? I can't bother you. You had the wrong man. Tell you it's the wrong person. I just want to get in contact with him. That's it. I'm gonna ask him all.
When
I must have missed it.
Well, Andy, come to think of it, let's see him public, girl. My boyfriend, mother, know about him, you know? And know him like wear about and stuff. Me, I tell her that, girl. My
Your boyfriend?
Yeah, girl, my man.
So your boyfriend know him from?
Him see me and come to me and I talk to me about it. And me I watch him on the phone, brother.
Alright, cause I not too like the energy where you give off. Me I tell you about the boy, I say boy like me. And the boy have him things and me I show you things. Nobody now go front up on social media and I'm not a thief juice. Girl, me I come go in because right now I not feel the energy.
You know, listen, is it you? You're a choice of man, them ridiculous, you.
day?
Good day.
I pray now. Yeah,
I
I
don't
can't
know
get a
what
link,
to
you know.
Link me?
Yeah,
Oh,
I
no.
can't get a link because a whole heap of thing are going on, you know. So yeah, the public thing are going on, the Rasta day.
What public have to do with you? What me and public have to do with you? No public introduce me to you. So how could I go on between me and public? Look at the man about my soul today, you know. The man is a famous social media person. That is just it. I'm admiring him.
Oh, so I make you run him down.
Which part you see me run down nobody?
Yeah, run him down,
Are
man.
you want me run down? You don't know for me run down?
You don't have to run down me.
Oh, my
Me have something, yes. Me have
you
my
don't
life.
have not a thing for me run down.
That's what you think.
Why you too?
What you? Worry yourself. I want to frighten you. Why you have a frighten you? I Rasta.
Nothing what you have can frighten me that I know for a fact.
The through my social media, I'm frighten you. That's why I'm going to get tricked. Good trick too, but don't worry yourself. I know me a trick you.
Why you couldn't trick me?
Me not have to trick you. If me trick you, it's out turbo. So you don't have to worry yourself.
What else? You don't talk.
Don't worry your brain, man.
Look at if I have money to the middle of the week,
what sweet
I'm money done
what
already.
sweet you
have
will
money
sour
for
you.
me or what?
If me have money for give
Yeah.
you,
You
me
come
not
in
give you
and
no
argument
money,
with
man.
me.
Make your Rasta give you money, man.
Come in
Because
and
you
argument
and
with me
him,
about
you and him in a
people.
things
Go
for
on,
choo-choo,
man.
man.
Go.
What you?
Go, sir. Go.
And let me put you in a stress, you know. Our problem.
And you can't take me out, so it's still a day, so.
No worry yourself.
Eh?
Keep your Rasta.
You make sense?
Keep the Rasta.
You don't make no sense.
Keep him. Me make whole heap of sense.
You
If me
come
never
and
make...
talk about Rasta next man. You don't worry about yourself for what you can do. You can't do nothing and you come and start telling me about next man. Eh? He's a provider, me I look and a protector.
So
you can't do nothing for me,
so
nothing.
the public can do it, the Rasta.
I say let's stop worry about other people or what?
Me have
You
to
so
worry
about the man.
because I him same man introduce you to me and now him running and take you up. Eh? But you're good, man.
Things,
Don't worry yourself, man. You know what gonna happen? You're good. Don't worry your brain. You're good, man. You're on the Rasta good, man.
Me always good.
Make certain say you're always good, you know.
Yeah.
Make certain nobody running back.
Running back, I never running no way. Just put them one score off, you want one pedicure, you look like nobody.
Thank God.
Come back, I'm a spirit in the day, yeah.
Now if you bother your soul, man, don't worry yourself.
Like that, go on.
Well done. Everything I got alright, man.
You know what, too? I call a girl and I find out. Why you too? Yeah, girl. Look, you know, I go want you to link up your boyfriend mother. I want you to link up your mother-in-law for me, you know, because right now I get blamed for things that I'm not even doing, you know. So just call her or call him and get to public and I'm going to get the contact. I'm going to show him something.
Mommy, more to talk to you.
Hold on, just stay right this one. Don't come in my room like that.
Mommy, where are you? Where? I drink right now. I smoke, you smoke, you know. Where I do both you smoke, you know. When you start smoke?
Hold on then. You don't understand this, you know.
I drunk right now.
You don't understand.
I drunk right now.
It's when you see me and I'm a good sense in me.
I drunk
And you come in at the place just like that and take away my big head cliff. You need to give me my marijuana. Because right now.
Let me hold this here. No, let me hold it for you. Let me hold it for you, no, let me hold it for you.
Your father was a drunkard.
You tell me that too much time. Let me hold this for you. Let me hold this for you.
Why you coming in my room, little boy? Why you coming in my room?
We come in to talk to you about something because the landlord did tell me something about rent. But they come, but we can't talk about that later.
Landlord?
But you, where you drink
The
from?
landlord is my man. I know you're not with no landlord. Me and the landlord. I don't know friend right now.
Well, I don't need to know that.
Me and the landlord there yesterday and we left today.
Well, that's too much information for me. No,
Let me tell you something. And that you do. You plan with the woman for take off my money.
What?
Because I don't have no account.
What the hell you talking about?
You see the clocks the way you beg me buy?
Which clocks?
Hey, boy, let me tell you something. You know, go buy again.
Which clocks are you talking about?
The clocks. You need to take yourself out of my room. Because right now, I need a spliff. I need a real big head spliff.
I'm not guessing you go.
You understand what I say?
I'm not guessing you go knock out some. Not even.
This is my son. And I need money to buy your clocks. And this woman take my money and gone. Cost me off and not give me.
Which money?
I don't have an account. So I let she to my money. I lead her to it. Now she take it and gone. Because I cannot read. I can't spell. I mean, I know account. But let me tell you something, you know, boy.
Drink some water out of place.
Alright. How you do it, my rum?
No, around that, you know, mommy. You just sit things around that. Drink some.
Where you do it, my rum?
Around that.
Boy, come out of my room. Where you do it, my rum? Let me split.
Boy, you should have put up your finger them. You see something? And this more about, you know, the social media thing, I get you mad. You look at money where you make off it, I get you mad. Now somebody thief your money from where you try to say. Off of TikTok. That's how I tell you if you lower TikTok, you know. The social media thing, I'm going to make you mad with it.
Back up. Back up.
I'm not going to argue with you, you know.
People that will want TikTok is my family. So I'll get back my money.
Call your family, I will not be. But that's even.
I'm a family. My family. Come out of me.
Don't make me come back in here and see you drink more rum, you know.
Give me my rum.
See where you know.
Why? Give me my rum. Give me my rum. Give me my rum.
Alright, go and go drink your rum.
Give me my rum.
Because, do ya?
Coming and you start to run. You thought it was a game until you saw my son. You the number one top shotter in the streets. You better back down, you're gonna get defeat. You think this is a summer camp or a retreat? No yellow tape, no foreign seats. You came here to get a little bit of the lie. You thought I was a myth, now your soul is mine. Why, oh why? It's like a fool wanna try. Get the liquor.